Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful rose flower square motif. So we have a rose flower in the center and we have the granny square all around it. So this can be customized to any size that we like and any number of layers of petals that we like. I have just done the 2 layers. Okay, let's go into the video without any much delay friends. Chain 6. Slip stitch and join to the first chain, slip stitch into the first chain and join to form a ring, chain 2, make 4 double crochets, slip stitch into the ring, again chain 2, 4 double crochets 3 more times, chain 2, 4 double crochet, slip stitch, chain 2, 4 double crochet, slip stitch 4 times. Totally we need 4 such petals. Okay, I have completed round 1. Now slip stitch to the back of the second DC of the petal. So let us slip stitch to the back here and then chain 4, slip stitch to the back of second DC of the next petal. This is chain 2, this is first DC, this is the second DC. This is chain 2, first DC, second DC. To the back of this we need to slip stitch after chain 4. So pick up under that loop, chain 4 again. So 4 times we have to make this. Chain 4, slip stitch to the back of second DC, chain 4, slip stitch to the back of second DC on all the 4 petals. I shall complete and get back. We have made 4 chains. Now this is the four chains and slip stitch to the first slip stitch that we did here. Now one slip stitch into the next chain 4 and make 5 double crochets and slip stitch into each loop. So make 5 double crochets. The first one is going to be a standing one. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slip stitch in the same chain space. So again the same repeats in each of the next 3 chain 4 spaces. I shall complete and get back. I have come to the end of this round here. Slip stitch between the 2 slip stitch here. Now we are going to chain 6 and slip stitch between the slip stitches of these 2 petals. So in between them you have to slip stitch and behind the petals, not in front. So this petal has to come, so like this. So continue, place 3 more. I shall make and get back. I have completed the other 3 too. Now slip stitch into this chain 6 space and make 3 double crochets, chain 3 double crochets in this chain space. So let me make my first double crochet, Otherwise you can chain 3 and begin, that's no issue at all. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, now before you go over to the next chain space, chain 1 and again 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. In the next 6 chains, 3 place the 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1, again 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and in the next also. So place all the stitches. I shall also complete this round and get back. We have come to the end of the stitch here. So here you make a single crochet and bring it to the center and place 3 double crochets in this chain 1 space, and we go about making the granny stitches. Chain 1, in the corner you place 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 doubles. This is the sides we are developing. So it's a regular granny square from here afterwards, and you can make it to any size that you like. I am going to make one more round and wind off. Chain 1. So complete this round. I shall also complete and get back. So I've come to the end of this round here. Now again I'm going to make one single crochet on the first DC or the third chain of the 3 chains if you had taken 3 chains, and place 3 double crochets under this chain space. This is as per the regular granny square. Chain 1, 3 doubles in the next, chain 1, and the corner 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So continue this stitch pattern for the entire round and slip stitch, join and fasten off. I've come to the end of this round here. So slip stitch and join and fasten off. I shall also slip stitch, join and fasten off and get back to you. We have completed the rose flower square motif. So this can be used for decorative purposes and on your projects as per our need. So thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Further, do like and share our videos too so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Thank you friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.